Why is a bar spoon twisted? Have you ever wondered why a bar spoon is twisted? Well, we'll tell you. Modern bar tools are not just for decoration. They're designed to be ergonomic and stylish. A twisted handle might look cool, but it is also functional because you can hold a cocktail without your hand slipping around the glass while stirring or layering alcohols on top of each other when mixing drinks. How is the twisted bar spoon handle helpful? The bar spoon handle's twisted design serves two purposes. 1. Layering alcohols. With layered shots and cocktails on the rise, a twist of your bar spoon is handy for layering certain alcohols with different densities in one vessel. It makes an amusing appeal to any drink you put it into. Layering drinks can be best done using a European-style bar spoon because their disc at the end provides more control over how much liquid flows out, letting them float atop many concoctions like magic dust. The spiral handle slowly twists up so that no matter what liquor or spirit is being poured down its length, they flow smoothly due to the gentle slope created by this ingenious design. 2. Efficient stirring. As the bartender stirs, they twirl and twist with a smooth motion to ensure that their spoon touches every ice cube and prevents any potential splashes. The twisted handle also works quicker, since it covers more surface area without breaking up concentration during the process of stirring drinks like cocktails. The bar spoon is the perfect utensil for any bartender. It has many uses, including being a stirring device and scooping up ice cubes from one glass to another with its twisted handle. If this video was helpful, be sure to subscribe to Advanced Mixology and hit the notification bell button to stay updated on our latest videos.